Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your ringtone on iPhone, as well as your text tone and other notification sounds. Let's get started. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here you will see options to customize different sounds such as your ringtone, text tone, voicemail, email, and more. Tap on the category you want to change. Now scroll through the list of available tones. Tap on any tone to preview it. Once you find the one you like, tap it to select it. You'll know it's selected when a check mark appears next to it. Tap the back arrow to return to the main sound menu and repeat the process for any other notification type you want to customize. And that's it. Now you know how to change your ringtone and other notification sounds on iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.